Hi guys, welcome to another Hour in Technology. Welcome on my YouTube channel. First of all, sorry for the delay of this movie because I moved to my own house, so there were some things I had to do before I could create this movie. Today I'm going to talk about one of my favorite programs that I use daily for my HTPC, and that's called Plex. Many of you will probably know Kodi. The previous name of that is Xbox Media Center. But Plex is a bit of a different program. Plex can also transcode to all your other devices, so you can make one database on it, add all your movies, and watch them on every device that you like. You don't need to convert anything. It can do it all by itself if you have the proper hardware that are required for the transcoding. A normal PC or a powerful NAS will do for that. So first of all, let's take a look at the server-based client, and after that we go to the clients for the playback on the devices. Okay, so here we have the virtual machine ready. The only thing I did with this virtual machine was install Windows 10. You can also run it on older versions like Windows 7, Windows Vista, or even Windows Server if you like. This installation is only for Windows, but Plex also supports Linux or also NAS systems. For example, I also have Plex running on my Synology NAS, but one of the cons is that my Synology is not fast enough for live transcoding of media. So if I want to watch my videos on my iPad, for example, then it has to transcode, but it's not fast enough, so it will get stuttering and not really nice to watch. So I also use it on a Windows machine, and that's the most easy way to install. So that's how I'm going to show you to install this. First, you need to go to the plex.tv website. Here you already immediately see Plex Media Server. That's the one we have to install on the server-based device. So that's not really used for playback, but only for transcoding the media, but also creating the database where all the information about the movies is stored. So the metadata, but also the covers, the trailers, everything I will show you in this video. So we have to go here to Media Server. If you scroll a bit down, you also will see Plex for smart TV, game consoles, streaming devices, home theater for PCs, and mobile applications. So that's the one that we are going to use later on in my next movie. But first we need to configure this media server. I'm going to install it in a virtual machine, so I select the computer and I want to download it in English so you guys can understand what it's saying. It will now start with the download. After the download is complete, then we can install the software. Press run. You can click on install. In my case, it asks for the user account control, but if you turn it off, you will not see this pop-up. But you can click yes, because we trust Plex. Okay, the setup is finished now. The software is installed on your computer, but now we have to configure it. To configure it, we have to launch it. So we press launch. As you can see here, the Plex Media Server has started now. I can right click on it, open Plex. And you will now go to a website, and that's your Plex Media Server. And now we can click here and we can add our media. In my case, they are at the Synology that I have attached with a mapping to the drive. But if you have your media locally, then you can also see it. Um, First, I'm going to take a look at my videos that I'd ripped from my Blu-ray collection. It's important to use only legal Blu-ray discs to watch in Plex because it's illegal to download some videos and watch it with Plex. All the videos that you will see in this video are bought on Blu-ray. Here you can select the language of the metadata. You can give it a name, movies, Blu-rays for example. Press next. Here you have to define the media folder. This is my mapped drive. Press add if you have the map that you want to use. Go to advanced. And here you can also enable cinema trailers, for example. It's cool because if you are going to watch a video, then you will also see some trailers of your own library collection. You can click on add to library. Your Plex is now going to make an index of all your videos. This will take a long time if you have a lot of videos. I used a couple now, so as you can see, it's already starting to create items. But the bigger your database will be, the longer this will take. It's going to make some video files now. But first I am going back to create my other libraries. You can also select TV shows. If you're going to use TV shows, it's very important to make your map structure on your map correctly. And that's the following. You have to make a map with the name of the TV show. And in that map, you make a map with a season and the number of the season. So for example, season 01. And in that map, you will add all your episodes. If you do not do this the correct way, it will not make a correct index. So it's very important to do it that way. I can give it a name. In this case, I will just name it TV shows. The language is still English. Go to add folders. It's just the same as we just did. I go to the map where I have stored all my TV shows. It's taking some time now because my NAS is already scanning. Press add. And you can add it to the library. In my case now, the TV shows will not yet be indexed because my movies are still indexing. But we can already take a look at the result that it found. Maybe it already has some covers from the movies. 5 minutes of scanning, the first covers are visible. These covers and information will also be visible in your client that I will walk through on my next video. This video is really based on the client side, the server side. If I click on a video now, then we can see the information of the video. As you can see, we have the metadata on the server. We can see who the director is, the writer, all the cast, the subtitles, what kind of audio is included, the quality of the movie, but also we can watch the trailer, edit all the data if it's not correct. And basically your media server is now ready to stream to all your other devices that has the Plex client. So I hope you enjoyed my video, and next time I will show you how you can watch your media from your Plex media server that you've just installed. I want to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you like my movies, and please give a comment on what you think of the video so I can make better videos for all the viewers. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.